Hi everybody. Well, yes, I'm filming with the 8-sec camera, but I won't have to do that for long because look at this. It came back. The camera I sent in last week is back. So let's open it. This side up. So, I'll just have to. Okay, now let's see here. Here's the camera that was broken. So, let's see. And it's the same camera I had before. So let's see if it works. Here we go with the battery. Sorry, this camera does not have, it's not flat at the bottom. Let's not drop it now. You don't want to break it out. It's just been fixed. Put that in. Here he comes for the moment of truth. Thank God I set the date. Today is... What's today's date? The 16th. Wait, no, this is the 11th month. Sorry. There we go. 2009. And it works. So let's do a test video with this camera. Okay, so here's a test of the camera. This is my room. That hole hasn't got much better ever since it broke. And they're still out there. Here's the 8-sec camera. There it is. Well, so apparently this camera is back up and running. Thanks you, Casio, for fixing this. Now let's not make it to get screwed up ever again. Actually, what happened was I went to Kennywood Park and I filmed some roller coasters. I had no problem with it on those. And then I took it on the escalator, filmed that escalator, and nothing wrong with that either. Then I put it in the case, which is over here. See? And it was on my belt loop. See, I told some people it was my pocket, but what's really the difference? It broke inside the case. And I don't know what happened, but it mysteriously turned on. Then, yeah, it just turned on out of nowhere. I don't know how, I must hit the button. And I heard it beeping or something, so I took it out, and the lens was half in and half out. So, that's when we found out it was broken. Well, That's it. Bye.